The idea to start the business, it was something that it was almost like a lightning bolt idea. Hi, my name is Jessica Dennis. I am the owner of Little Cooks Club. I'm a foods and English teacher. I kind of came up with an idea to start my business 3 or 4 months ago. It just came about from me loving food and wanting to share that with kids. That was what I did for the last 4 years with my daughter, but then also what I do as a teacher. Little Cooks Club is a kids cooking camp and cooking classes. It's a chance for kids ages 3 to 13 to be able to learn how to cook, learn how to get creative in the kitchen. I found that when I was teaching in high school, a lot of kids did not know even how to wipe a counter. They just hadn't even learned. So I just thought it was a really great chance for me to share in the joys of learning how to be in the kitchen and learning how to make food and learning how to be creative. Every day, it's mostly waking up, checking my emails. I have a lot of parents who have questions about the camps, just answering and responding to that. And then I usually go on social, I create posts. The website, like Durable, makes it really easy because I am able to depend on the website, and then it leads people to the booking software. So I just make sure that if somebody books a camp, that I put that on the software. It automatically schedules, but I like to say like 2 spots left, so people kind of get excited to see like, oh, there's only 2 spots, maybe we need to book. I found with Durable, it was really so easy to just like customize it with the colors that my business is. It almost just like spit out a website that I loved, and then I kind of just filled in the pieces that I thought you needed to just change a bit. Because of the AI tool of being able to write things for me, it was awesome because then I could just have it write things. I could go back, edit it, change things to the way that I wanted it. I'd say I'm like pretty familiar with building websites, and I feel like you could literally be a person who has no idea how to do anything on a computer, and you could use Durable and build your website really easily. The one thing I also love about Durable is like it's user-friendly on your phone. Like it's very simple. Like I go on my phone all the time to change things. Even yesterday, I had a lady who was asking me about my cancellation policy. And I have it in my FAQ. I have all the information. And I realized I still had part of my FAQ was like to cancel email, but I actually have changed it because the booking system does that. So it took me like on my phone, go on Durable, rewrite it quick, save, copy, paste it, send it to her. It was like, I did it while the kids were in the bath. Cooking to me is something that I am so passionate about. It is like, it always has been. If it's something that like gets you energized and excited, try it, go for it, and take the risk because, I mean, that's what life is for. If you think of something, you have this great idea, I highly doubt someone would regret doing it and trying it and seeing what happens.